Hi, to improve the battery life of your OnePlus Nord 3, as a first step, we can disable unnecessary services. For that, let's just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and now make sure that the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are disabled because they drain battery a lot. Also here, swipe again and find the NFC for contactless payments, and also make sure that it is disabled. So if it's gray like the other features, then it is disabled. The system is the fewer active services, the longer your battery will last. Now after that, your device has an LCD screen, and here the dark mode does not help to save the battery. You can just lower the screen brightness to save it, just by dragging the slider down, and if you can see this A letter, then you have auto brightness enabled. If you tap it again, you can adjust the brightness manually and auto brightness will be disabled. Now also, as a last way, we can enable power saving mode. For that, let's just open settings. Here in the search bar, let's type in battery. Now scroll a bit to go in the battery tab, and after that select the power saving mode. So here you can enable power saving by tapping on the switcher, and you can enable to automatically turn off power saving mode when the battery is charged to 90%. Also, additionally, you can enable super power saving mode. So your phone can last about 1 day, 12 hours and 9 minutes, which is really impressive. Let's tap it to enable. And now, system performance will be reduced and you will only be able to run a few apps at a time. So if you turn it on, your screen will look something like that. To exit this mode, just tap the icon and select the option to exit it. And that's it for today. Hope this advice has helped, and thank you for watching.